Realeflow and Reipro. Real estate investment management softwares. Realeflow is a comprehensive real estate investment management software designed to streamline and simplify the processes involved in real estate investing. Whether you're a novice investor or a seasoned professional, Realeflow offers a powerful suite of tools to help you manage every aspect of your real estate business. 1. Lead generation. Realeflow provides tools for finding potential real estate deals through various channels, including direct mail campaigns, online marketing, and more. It helps investors identify promising leads and opportunities in their target markets. 2. Deal analysis. The software allows users to analyze potential deals with precision. It offers tools to calculate the return on investment, ROI, estimate repair costs, and assess the profitability of different investment properties. 3. Marketing automation. Realeflow offers automation features for marketing campaigns. Users can create and schedule email marketing, text messages, and direct mail campaigns to nurture leads and engage with sellers and buyers. 4. Property management. Manage your property portfolio efficiently with features for tracking expenses, rent collection, maintenance requests, and lease agreements. This ensures that your properties are well maintained and generating maximum income. 5. Financial management. Realeflow provides financial tools for tracking income, expenses, and generating financial reports. It helps investors monitor their cash flow and make informed financial decisions. 6. CRM, Customer Relationship Management. Build and maintain relationships with clients, partners, and other stakeholders through the integrated CRM. This feature allows you to track communications, appointments, and tasks related to your real estate deals. 7. Document management. Store and organize important documents such as contracts, deeds, and property records in one secure location, making it easy to access and share information when needed. 8. Reporting and analytics. Realeflow offers reporting and analytics tools that provide insights into your real estate investment's performance. These insights help you refine your investment strategies over time. 9. Integration. It integrates with various third-party tools and services, such as MLS listings and property data sources, to streamline data input and access. 10. Education and support. Realeflow offers training and support resources, including webinars, tutorials, and a dedicated support team, to assist users in maximizing the software's capabilities. Reipro is a real estate investing software solution that caters to real estate investors and professionals. It offers a range of tools and features to simplify real estate investing processes and maximize investment opportunities. 1. Lead generation. Reipro provides tools for finding off-market properties, distressed properties, and motivated sellers. Users can access a wide range of property data to identify potential investment opportunities. 2. Deal analysis. Analyze investment properties to determine their potential profitability. The software assists in calculating ARV, after repair value, estimating repair costs, and assessing the financial viability of each deal. 3. Marketing and CRM. Create and manage marketing campaigns to attract sellers and buyers. The CRM feature helps users keep track of leads, schedule follow-ups, and maintain communication with prospects. 4. Property management. Manage rental properties with ease, including tracking rental income, expenses, and maintenance requests. Reipro helps investors stay organized and maintain their properties efficiently. 5. Contract generation. Generate legally compliant contracts and documents for real estate transactions, including purchase agreements, rental agreements, and more. 6. Financing tools. Access financing resources and calculators to evaluate mortgage options and loan terms, helping investors make informed financing decisions. 7. Education and training. Reipro offers educational resources, including video tutorials and training materials, to assist users in learning how to use the software effectively and expand their knowledge of real estate investing. 8. Integration. While primarily an all-in-one solution, Reipro also integrates with other real estate-related tools and services to streamline workflows and data sharing. Both Realeflow and Reipro are valuable tools for real estate investors seeking to streamline their processes, analyze potential deals, and manage their property portfolios efficiently. The choice between the two often depends on individual preferences, specific business needs, and the desired feature set. Investors may find value in exploring demos and trial versions to determine which software aligns better with their real estate investment goals.